Today we're going to be changing the alternator on a Ford Taurus. So the first thing we got to do is we have to disconnect or remove the belt itself. Put a wrench on the tensioner for the belt, which is way down in here. Take the tension off and just take it off here on the alternator. So the next thing we're going to disconnect is the wire, okay, and the wiring harness right here. This one has a small bolt. Looks like it might be a 1/2 inch. And this one, we're going to need a screwdriver to press the tab and get it out of the way. Now that we got those two connectors disconnected, now before you start this, I should say, you want to disconnect your negative battery terminal just to be safe. That way you don't get any sparks. Now the only thing left to do to get this alternator out is to loosen 2 screws, from what I can see here. So you're going to loosen that screw right there, which is on the front, top right of the alternator. And then you got one down below, which you can see right there. The other thing you might want to take out, or you're going to probably have to take out, is this piece right here. This metal piece right here. Take off this little screw here, and this bar will come off, making it easier just to pick that up and out of the way. One more thing that has to be done to get this alternator out. This has to be removed, the overflow tank. So you take off your one screw here, or nut, and the one nut in the back side. And then this can be just removed out of its place, set down a little bit, and hopefully you can get enough room to get that bolt out of there. You gotta be kidding. There you have it, the alternator's out. Now we're gonna put the new one in. Put the bolts back in, all the nuts. Now we're gonna hook up the electrical plugs. So put the cover back on when you're done. Now we're gonna get the belt back on the pulley, and last thing will be put the canister back in with the bolts. Alright, once you have the alternator in, just check everything while it's running, make sure the belt's on correctly. And we're gonna do one final thing, and that's to see if it's actually putting out voltage. So I'm gonna go over to the battery. Now this battery's almost dead because I was on my way home, and it looks like the alternator is putting out 13, 17, 13, 15, so we're good. We know the battery's charging right now. And the headlights a lot brighter than what they were. Alright, so we're done with this job. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. You all have a great day. God bless.